In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control which docs your recipients see with document visibility 5 minutes. Let's start by setting the scene. Document visibility in DocuSign lets you decide exactly which recipients can see which documents in a given envelope. This is perfect when your package contains private forms for different people or when you want to reduce clutter so each recipient only sees what's relevant to them. First, log into DocuSign. Once you're in, head to the admin area. You'll find this from the main app navigation. It's where account-wide preferences live. From there, open Sending Settings. This section controls how envelopes behave when you prepare and send them. Inside Sending Settings, activate Document Visibility. Turning this on enables DocuSign to respect visibility rules as you build and send envelopes. In practice, it means recipients won't be shown documents that aren't meant for them, which improves privacy and avoids confusion. If you work with sensitive information, this setting is essential. Next, let's look at the behavior during preparation. In the Add Field step of building your envelope, you'll see options that affect recipient experience. This is where the visibility rules come into play while you place tags and assign fields. When document visibility is on, recipients will only see documents that have fields or access assigned to them, keeping everything clean and targeted. While you're in the Add Field step, click the Settings icon and open Advanced Options. These controls are designed to fine-tune what happens before and after signing, and they help you lock down who can view the final signed copies. Within Advanced Options, select Recipients must be signers to view signed documents. This option does exactly what it says. When the envelope is complete, only people who actually signed will be able to view the signed documents through DocuSign. It's a simple checkbox that adds a strong layer of privacy, especially useful in workflows where some recipients are only observers or receive notifications but shouldn't access the final documents. A quick recap: log in, go to admin, open Sending Settings, and activate document visibility. Then, when you're preparing your envelope in the Add Field step, open the Settings icon, go to Advanced Options, and select Recipients must be signers to view signed documents. With these settings in place, you'll control both what recipients see during signing and who can view the completed documents afterward, all without adding complexity to your process. That's it. You've set up document visibility to keep the right documents in front of the right people.